What's up, everybody? Welcome to Gray Rabbit Finance. I'm your host, Tyler, and today I'm going to be updating the Ichimoku technical analysis for silver US dollar for the months of September to October 2024. Let's hop in. All right, here we are on the monthly chart, and I just want to take a second to thank you all for liking and subscribing. It really helps me and my family. And so, guys, price closed above the Tenkan Sen here, and we've got overall a nice base here. We closed above resistance here. So this was the previous resistance at $30.20, and we had a nice close here back in May, and we've been on a retracement ever since. So in the last monthly analysis, I called out a retracement back to this target level here at the 0.5 Fibonacci between there and the 0.618, and so we've reached our target already. And now, in terms of Ichimoku, this is bullish. We've got price above the Tenkan, and we've got a nice Kumo cloud here. But we're still waiting to break this resistance level here on an N wave. And so that's the 32.512 level, and that's going to confirm this N wave and a move up further. Now, guys, I'm under the impression that we're going to see silver trading around this level by the end of this year into early Q1 of 2025. And so that's around the $38 level. And that's also on this GAN fan angle here. And so I'm expecting a nice bounce off of this area, which we're starting to see already. So let's see what else we've got. In terms of these indicators, we had a gold cross on stochastic, and we have the Gray Rabbit LTI indicator, which is my proprietary indicator. It's starting to break out right now. And probably going to retest this upper resistance level. So that's why I was expecting this to be a sharp correction and a nice N wave back up. So let's see, was there anything else? Yeah, so we called out the retracement last month analysis to the $26 level and 44 cents. And so that's pretty much where we hit. Yeah, so that was where we hit. And now let's take a look at the weekly chart real quick. Let me clean this up. Okay, guys, so on the weekly chart, we have a ranging market, just a retracing market. We have the Gray Rabbit GAN line, which is this blue and orange line, is now bearish. And so you can see that, we don't have any bearish Ichimoku signals. We don't have a death cross. Chico span is still above the candles. And so once this Chico span approaches into these candles, I'm expecting price and time to be balanced, and price is going to head back up on an N wave. Now, one thing to note is that in terms of this price action, we do have a higher low here, but we could get a double bottom here at this $26.48 level. So I'm going to be looking for a double bottom and possibly even a wick down into this really thin box here. This is on the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and you can see that we have a fair value gap here. And so that's where I'm going to be looking to possibly add on to my positions. So this is at the $25.97 level. But overall, we're going to be looking for this double bottom, which I think is going to happen closer to this GAN fan angle here, the 4-to-1. So expect one more touch on this 0.5 level at least, maybe a wick down to here, and then the move to continue back up. So in terms of time has now become balanced with price. And that's why I'm expecting this consolidation and this retracement to be over very soon. But until we get a close above the $32.51, we can't confirm this N wave yet. So we got to wait for the close of the candle. Now, let's see. So we had a death cross here on stochastic, but we're still within this sweet spot. So we're not overbought yet on here. So that's also showing me that we still have some room to go up. And then also we've had a nice retracement back down into this sweet spot here. And I'm expecting the LTI to find support on these levels and then continue back up in the bullish direction. So that's just a few other things to add. And then let's see, make sure I got everything. Yeah, I'm not bearish. Yeah. Okay. So price and time are balanced. And so guys, expect a double bottom and then price to move back up on this N wave. And we will be seeing between now and January 2025 if this plays out how I think it will, we'll be seeing silver trading above $38. So keep that in mind. Now let's move on to a few fundamental news. Okay, guys, here's a tweet I put out recently. This was on August 30th, and it's just showing a chart of silver US dollar by the US CPI, which is the Consumer Price Index. And so we have had first we had a W wave, or a double bottom here. You see that we have broken through this major trend line, and we've done a back test on it that's held as support. And so I'm expecting this to be an N wave up. And so guys, what does that mean? So this is a very bullish chart for precious metals. The inflation-adjusted silver price breaking out equals huge momentum for precious metals markets. A strong explosive move into 2025 and 26 to retest that upper resistance right now based on my time cycles by Q3 2026. So guys, keep that in mind. And if you don't follow me on Twitter yet, check me out. It's at Gray Rabbit Fin. And yeah, I would love to have you as a follower there as well. Guys, if you want to learn more about trading, feel free to join my Discord. I'll drop a link below. There you can get a copy of my free trading strategy PDF. And I just want to say thank you guys for liking and subscribing. And until next month, peace.